This is the Stirling Engine. Got it. I was up in the morning and I got it and I fired it up. It went so fast that it vibrated off of the counter and burnt the carpet. And then it tweaked it or something and it didn't work. But I moved the generator back because I think it had jostled loose and was crooked. And I also dropped the glass thing and broke it, and I glued it back together. It wasn't running as fast as it was before, but now it seems to be rolling. I flared out the wick. Now it's going like crazy right now. It costs about $55. I mistakenly lubricated the pistons, which you're not supposed to do. I tried to swap that out with a Q-tip. That's as fast as it ever went. Well, I had to glue the thing back together, and now you can see that it seems to be burning out the side of the top, so I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Yeah, it works on the premise of heat transfer. You got one side that's hot and one side that's cool. It's a fascinating concept, the whole Stirling engine thing, but yeah, that's as fast as it ever went. That's the problem, is that it vibrated off the counter there and then burnt the carpeting. I used sandpaper and resolve to try to get it out, but I think it'll never be quite the same. I'll show you the full extent of it. Yeah, could be better. Yeah, it's rolling now. I'm thinking I might I got one that runs on a coffee mug. A little safer than this. I'm a little worried that it's going to blow up right now. Burning out the side of the top. I'm going to have to get a replacement file there because that's not right. They got one that's like a do-it-yourself